Friends, welcome back to my channel SciTecher. In this video, I'm going to unbox the iQOO Z5 device. Yes friends, finally I did receive the iQOO Z5 and I've been waiting for this phone from the morning till evening, and finally I got this phone in the evening time. And let's see how is the unboxing experience, and in case if you want me to compare this iQOO Z5 with any other smartphone, let me know in the comment section below friends. So with what phone you want me to compare. So for my first preference will be there with the comparing with the Realme GT Master Edition. So how is it compared with the Realme GT Master Edition? And next I'll try to compare with the iQOO 7 and other phones as well which I'm having. Is it worth it to spend on the iQOO Z5 instead of iQOO 7 or not? So let me know in the comment section below what are your various comparisons you want me to do on this phone in the iQOO 7 device. And this is exactly the package which I got right now, Amazon package, you can clearly see. And let's see how is our unboxing experience. And the iQOO Z5 has got the Snapdragon 778G processor, and which has got the UFS storage 3.1 and LPDDR5 RAM type, and everything is perfectly alright in terms of the performance wise. But let's see friends, how is the real life testing in my channel. So that's what I'm really surprised to see, how well this iQOO Z5 gonna hold up in my testing, in my own method of testing. That's what I'm really interested to see. So let me know in the comment section below friends. Don't forget to ask me the questions. I'll do my best to post the reviews as soon as possible on this iQOO Z5. Is it worth it to buy or not right now? And the package is sealed, it's not open, and let me try to unbox it. And this is a 8GB RAM variant which I did order. So 8GB RAM and 128GB model which I have ordered, and here we go, the box. And let's see what are the contents we do have in the box. Let's keep this box side, and which says yellow, completely yellow color, and we do have the case in the phone, not bad. So without a case and warranty card. So this is a transparent case, so that's pretty normal. And let's keep the case side, let's keep the warranty and everything in the box. And next here we go with the phone. Wow, so this is a 5000 mAh of battery phone which we are having in this device. So 5000 mAh of battery, not bad. And I need to do a lot of testing friends regarding the performance and next battery and camera. So display is only the one biggest drawback for this phone, which is a LCD panel, that's what, but still the price is slightly kind of decreased. So that's another thing. I mean, if they keep the AMOLED panel, the price could have been really increased. But this is a initial impression friends. Wow, the back panel, it's kind of different little bit, not much. So I'll try to keep this phone side, and here comes all the details clips, and here's the charger which came along with the box. And let's see what is the charger watts. It says 44 watts clearly, as you can clearly see. They did not give any kind of extra watts, so they just give the 44 whatever the phone supports as it is. And here's a cable which we're having in the box, and we do have the SIM card pin hiding inside. Exactly, you can see here. And this is a quick initial impressions about the iQOO Z5 in terms of the unboxing review, and which is pretty simple and straightforward, nothing much different. Because the phone has got the 3.5mm jack exactly, so there is no need of the dongle, and there's a screen protector has come built in. That's kind of really good to see. Yes, there's a screen protector. So it feels kind of really kind of premium, doesn't look kind of medium kind of range mobile phones. Definitely it feels little bit kind of premium type. I can definitely say the Realme X1 Max. So Realme X1 Max, you know the one part is glass and one part is matte. So same that kind of matte finish feeling I'm trying to get here when I'm trying to hold this phone in the hand. That's kind of one thing which I can definitely say that. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. And this is a quick unboxing review on this iQOO Z5. So in terms of the specifications, we do know Snapdragon 778G processor, 8GB and 128GB variant which we are having here, and dual speaker setup and side mode of fingerprint scanner, IPS LCD panel display, and we do have the 64 megapixel back camera which I need to do the night mode testing. That is what the iQOO team that did advertise that the night mode shots can be taken really good, and it's kind of really good to see this kind of closing of the USB Type-C, so no dust can actually enter inside. That's a really fantastic option which you are having in this phone. That's good. And rest of the thing, everything perfectly good, looks good, not bad. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and see in the next video and straight up more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to follow the playlist of the iQOO Z5 which I have created. As you can see, you can check more videos on the iQOO Z5 later on. Signing off friends, bye.